What's up, grade 12s? Welcome to English 30 Online with me, your teacher, Miss Lawson. I am here to walk you through your final grade 12 course of 2021, which is very exciting. We are so glad that you could be here and learn all about Canadian literature with us. So, like I said, I'm Miss Lawson. I have been teaching for 12 years. I've taught lots of different places. I've taught in South Korea, in Regina, in Saskatoon. And now I've been at the online school for the past year. I've been here since August, so I'm pretty knowledgeable about that. So if you have any questions, you guys can give me a call or you can send me an email and I'll be able to help you out. A little bit about me. I really love memes. I love scrolling through Instagram and following lots of different social justice pages as well as body positivity pages. I love TikTok. I also really enjoy being active. I've started swimming and I've been practicing yoga. I am a mother to 3 fur babies, so I'll just show you a picture of them.
So these are the dogs. What's this?
So those are them. So those are them, my babies, Louise, Jasper, and Ollie, and they are fabulous, and we love a good fur baby. Yeah, so if there's anything else you want to know about me, you can definitely send me an email. I'd love to chat with you. I'd also like for you to take a few minutes to watch the next video because this quint, we are very lucky to have a student teacher with us. So she's going to be with us from now until May 21st. She's going to teach quite a few lessons. Yeah, so she's gonna show a video and introduce herself as well. So great to finally get to know you guys, and I'm excited to spend the rest of this quint with you.